Hi, I'm Aaron, and welcome to my channel. If you like this video, don't forget to press the like icon. For more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. Today we are going to see how to download any social media apps for 0 MB. To make this trick work, you should make sure that the social media app you want to download has a web version of it. First of all, open Kiwi browser and search for the app you want to download. In this case, I'm searching for Twitter. You also need to make sure that you have enabled the desktop site option. Now press the Add to Home Screen option. Press Allow to add a shortcut to your phone. You can see now Twitter is added to my home screen. This process didn't require any storage to use your social media. Now you can use your social media without any browser or ads.